Good afternoon, boys and girls. Time for a quick little math lesson. And today we are going to talk about telling time to the half hour. Let's remember that the little hand is the hour hand and the big hand is the minute hand. And remember my little clue, the word hour is short, so it's the shorter hand on the clock. Minute is a longer word, so it counts the minutes and it's the longer hand on the clock. Let's remember that when we're looking at our clock, it's intervals of 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. And remember, 60 is o'clock. Now, today, what we're going to talk about is when we say that it is 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 6:30, 7:30. Remember that in order for the hour hand to go to the next number, the minute hand has to go around one full circle. So that's 60 minutes. And when it does that, the hour hand will move from, say it's on the 1, it'll then move to the 2. As the minute hand is going around, the hour hand is moving slowly to the next number. So when we see a clock and say the clock is going to show us 1:30, okay? The little hand, the hour hand, isn't on the 2 and it's not on the 1. It's between the two numbers because our minute hand has gone around half of the clock. So our hour hand is halfway between our two numbers. And we always look at the smaller number, the number that the hand just went by, because remember, the hands on the clock go this way. Okay, so if I was to put some times up here on our clock. Okay, this is an easy way to do it when you're looking at a worksheet that has a clock on it. Okay, so let's say we all know that the minute hand is going to be at the 6. Let's say our hour hand is here. Okay, and you want to tell me what time it is. What I tell my kids to do, and I'm going to tell you to do the same thing, I want you to draw a little dotted line between the two numbers. And remember, your hands on the clock go this way. So if the hand went this way, what number did our hour hand just go by? The 7. And then when we count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, this clock is showing 7:30, not 8:30. Okay, so if we look at another one. Let's say the hour hand is this way. Again, when I see my big hand, the minute hand on the 6, I know it's 30, so I'm going to draw a dotted line, and I know the clock hands go this way, so I know that this is between the 10 and the 11, so I'm going to use the 10. So it's 10:30. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say the hand was like this. Again, take the hour hand, draw a dotted line through it. Look at the number that it just went by. It just went by the 4. It's halfway between the 4 and the 5. So this clock shows us 4:30. So I'm going to have you practice some clocks on a worksheet that I've attached to the email. And I want you to set up your notebook. I'll send a picture of the notebook. And I want you to write the times. There's 9 clocks. And I want you to write the time on your notebook. And then I will take a look at it when we return to school. We're going to practice some more half hours again tomorrow with some hours, which we looked at yesterday. So enjoy your afternoon. Please check out the online video of the chapter book, Read Aloud, your math lesson. Make sure you get at least 15 minutes of reflex in today. Keep up your math fluency. And also, I attached a fun art activity about drawing a shark. So I hope everyone has a nice afternoon, and I will see everybody tomorrow morning.